Hey, and welcome to the Iron Horse Route, home of the Denver and Rio Grande Western. This is Brian coming to you with an announcement video about two exciting things happening with our very own, our community favorite, Uncle Wilmer. Yes, Uncle Wilmer is on 2 times in the next 2 days. He's featured tonight on Track Tuesday on his channel. That's Indian Head Valley Railroad. That's Uncle Wilmer. He's live tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time on his channel. That's Uncle Wilmer tonight, Indian Head Valley Railroad on his channel. That's Tuesday night on Track Tuesday, Uncle Wilmer. And tomorrow, before our very own Sparky 107 is episode 4 of the Community Roundhouse, and that's going to happen on Cousin Vinny's channel, BNSF 6951's channel, at 6 p.m. It's a premiere starring, guess who? Uncle Wilmer. Can you believe that? We got him twice. We love him that much. We got him twice in the next 2 days, everybody. It's Uncle Wilmer on Community Roundhouse episode 4 on Cousin Vinny's channel, BNSF 6951. That's tomorrow at 6 p.m. It's a premiere. It's before Sparky. We hope to see you tonight at the live stream at 7 p.m. Eastern. We hope to see you tomorrow night for the episode 4 premiere at 6 p.m. And then we also hope to see you at 7 p.m. Eastern on Sparky 107's channel. We'll see you there, guys. Take care. One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.